let us know how to use electrohomeopathy and alternate system medicines. Many patients are confusing on the issue of how to use. Let us discuss one by one. See, these are medicines of gastritis, ulcer problem patient. See, this is Agnicare Plus drops. Use daily 2 times, 10 drops. Means take 1 glass of potable water, drinking water. See, this is normal drinking water. Use normal water. 1 glass of water and add 10 drops. Morning 10 drops, evening 10 drops daily. This is for gastritis and ulcer cure. Okay. And next, another medicine. See here. 3 days use, 3 days gap. Daily 2 times 5 pills. Morning 5 pills, evening 5 pills. And medicine to medicine 3-minute gap. After using all medicines, this course give a gap of 30 minutes. Okay. And you can take these medicines before tiffin or after tiffin, before lunch or after lunch, etc. No problem. Just 15 minutes gap. Bottle to bottle, 3 minutes gap. After using course, 30 minutes break must. Break means not to take anything, maybe biscuit or food or water, etc. anything. Okay, for just 30 minutes. These 2 medicines. And next, it's a MD, means mass dose. You add in 1 liter of water. See, 1 liter of water. Add and finish it in a span of 1 week. Morning 1 cup, evening 1 cup. You add in 1 glass of water and take at 6 a.m. and 9 p.m. morning and while going to bed. Okay. This is about gastritis and ulcer problem. Okay. देखिए, सुबह 10 ड्रॉप्स, शाम में 10 ड्रॉप्स ग्लास पानी में लेना 2 बार. एंड नेक्स्ट 3 दिन लेना, 3 दिन रोक देना है. मॉर्निंग 5 पिल्स, इवनिंग 5 पिल्स. ओके. एंड दिस इज ए मास डोज कहते हैं हम. तो देखिए, 1 लीटर पानी में मिला लो, मिला के 1 वीक तक यूज करना है. मॉर्निंग 1 कप, इवनिंग 1 कप. दैट इज बाय एडिंग इन वाटर. पानी में मिला के यूज कर लेना है. मेडिसिन टू मेडिसिन 3 मिनट्स गैप. आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस कोर्स 30 मिनट्स, आधा घंटा ब्रेक चाहिए. ఓకే. తెలుగులో ఈ డ్రాప్స్ని ఉదయం 10 చుక్కలు, సాయంత్రం 10 చుక్కలు గ్లాస్ నీళ్ళలో కలిపి నెమ్మదిగా తాగాలి. ధీరే ధీరే లేనా है. టేక్ స్లోలీ జస్ట్ లైక్ టీ. 10 డ్రాప్స్ మార్నింగ్ అండ్ ఈవినింగ్. ఓకే. అండ్ ఇది 3 రోజులు వాడి 3 రోజులు ఆపాలి. ఉదాహరణ, ఆది సోమ మంగళ వాడితే బుధ గురు శుక్ర ఆపాలి. బ్రేక్. ఆన్ అండ్ హాఫ్ సిస్టమ్. ఉదయం 5, సాయంత్రం 5 ట్యాబ్లెట్. ఓకే. దీన్ని ఎండి అంటారు, మాస్ డోస్. లీటర్ బాటిల్లో కలపాలి. కలిపి షేక్ చేసి ఉదయం కప్పు, సాయంత్రం కప్పు. ఇగో ఈ సైజు కప్పు గ్లాస్ నీళ్ళలో కలపాలి. అది కూడా అంటే 1 కప్పు ఈ మందు. ఇది మెడిసిన్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది వాటర్ కాదు, మెడిసిన్ తయారైపోయింది. ఇందులో మెడిసిన్ యాడ్ చేశారు. ఈ 1 కప్ మెడిసిన్, 2 కప్పులు నీళ్లు, అనగా 1 గ్లాస్ అవుతుంది. ఇది 200 ml సుమారుగా. ఉదయం 6 గంటలకు, సాయంత్రము నైట్ 9 గంటలకు 2 సార్లు తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ గ్యాస్ట్రైటిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇది మీకు 1 నెల, కొందరికి 1 మంత్, కొందరికి 3 నెలలు వాడితే సరిపోతుంది. ప్రాబ్లం, అల్సర్ ప్రాబ్లం, గ్యాస్ ప్రాబ్లం పర్మనెంట్ క్యూర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇట్స్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ 650 మంత్లీ. ఎంఆర్పి ఈజ్ 750. It varies from 500 to 1200 too, depending on plants and institutes and states, etc. But it is available at 650 at SVPS organization, SV Research Institute, SV Electrohomeocare stores, labs of SVPS organization. Okay. Gastritis good చూపింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది చూడండి, ఇది హైపర్ టెన్షన్, బీపీ. బీపీ కోర్స్ చూడండి. హ్యాపీ లీక్ ప్లస్ డ్రాప్స్ ఉదయం 10 చుక్కలు, సాయంత్రం 10 చుక్కలు. సారీ, 3 టైమ్స్. దీని పైన 3 టైమ్స్ ఉంది చూడండి. ఈ గ్లాసు నీళ్ళలో 10 చుక్కలు యాడ్ చేయాలి, 3 టైమ్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. టేక్ డైలీ 3 టైమ్స్, యాడ్ 10 drops అండ్ టేక్ 3 times daily. This is medicine. And second one is, see, this medicine. This is also used 3 times, 5 pills. Okay. And this is 1 cup once in 3 days. Siltocare plus medicine. 1 cup means 1 glass. It's enough. And you may add in water also too, no problem. This is injection to be given at a cervical part once in 15 days or month, etc. Drop by drop injection. First, immediate control of BP. Later, it will cure permanently. Permanent cure हो जाएगा BP. इसमें ये system है. Okay. This is about BP. This is monthly medicine, and its cost is 600 rupees. MRP is 800, and from institute to university varies 500 to 700 up to 850. Next, what is this? Preventive medicine. It can prevent dengue, virus disease, infection disease, etc. Whatever may be, seasonal disease, etc. Cost is 40 rupees only. This is enough for one family. Just use 5 pills once in a week. Weekly once, take 5 pills. Kids, elders, all can use in family. For one family, 1 bottle enough. If gravity up means the stage is very serious, means spreading very fast, then you can use weekly 2 times too also. Next, this is stomach pain cure medicine, stomach pain relief medicine. This is a general medicine, common medicine, electricity medicine. Its cost is 40 rupees only. It can cure first stage stomach pain problem. Next, this is pain kill. For any pain relief or pain cure, use 5 pills. Just 1-2 times enough, or 3 days. Use 3 days gap until your problem is cured. Okay. Cost is 40 rupees. MRP 60. Available at SVPS, so 40 rupees only. Medicine charges after treatment. This is for public awareness. Prices, rates. Kit medicine, kit box medicine, rupees 30, and MRP 60 for 1 gram, 5 gram or 5 ml quantity, and it varies from 20 to 40 and 40 to 60, 40 to 60 for 10 grams and 20 to 40 for 5 grams. And flower medicine 60 to 120 varies from 60 to 120 for quantity of 5 to 10 gram, etc. And special oils, creams, etc. changes from 50 to 120, 50, 60, 120, 5 gram, 10 gram quantity, etc. For general and chronic disease medicines, health problems, 350 to 600. And middle level surgery courses medicine, 1 month medicine, 600 to 1000. And major surgery course medicine, 1000 to 2000. Use for 1 to 3 months, etc. And 1-2 cases may take 5 to 6 months also, but 100% curable. First, pain, etc., grievances, any problem will come under control first, and later permanent cure is possible in this system. Electrohomeopathy and alternate medical system of plants and flowers, electricity medicine with external supporting skills, special skills. And dengue, virus, infection, etc., diseases, chronic, critical, etc., diseases varies from 2000 to 3000 depending on plants, institutes, etc. Curable in just 4 days or 1 week maximum. 1 week. Kit box medicine 12 to 15 medicine. Kit box price varies 500 to 1000 rupees. And for clinics, doctors, research institute, etc., essence and dilution to be given 10 to 30%, 30 to 40% discount available to them. And essence and dilution, CPCM method, ACM method, sun energy method medicines, cold process, cohabitation method medicines available here. These are all complex remedies, electricity medicine, powerful remedies, plants and flowers. In market, 700 plants, best plants, and 500 flowers, best flowers available. SCPS organization using presently up to 400 plants and 100 flowers. Flowers means wind flower, passion flower, white jasmine, yellow jasmine, rose flower, etc. Plants mean bane plant, shade plant, tulsi plant, neem plant, etc. So these are, it's a remedy of, generally it's a remedy of 7 to 14 plants. Okay. This is for public awareness. Public must have some idea on it. Important nowadays. See, this is DLN medicine, death and life medicine, to be given at final stage. Cost is 540, just 2.5 grams. A small bottle, very polished medicine, high power medicine, and very polished medicine. No chemicals, no antidotes, no side effects, no death. It will bring your life back from the death of Jah. Its cost is 540. And beside 1 month medicine course. This is separate, just one bottle cost. Okay. Here this bottle is only varies from 50 to 100, but this polished medicine 540. And just nasal care plus drops. See here, it varies from 100 up to 120, etc. Okay, just 1-2 drops enough. And this is pain-kill medicine, means what is this? Bane plant electricity medicine. Bane plant means arnica special plant, fresh plant, full flowers plant, plus other 13 plants. It varies from 7 to 14. 13 plus 1 means 14. 6 plus 1 means 7. 7 plants. Electricity medicine. Cost is general medicine. It is common medicine, store medicine. 20 rupees. Okay. 5 gram quantity. And you can get refilled also after completion of it. Next. What is this? BP 140 by 100. Its cost is 350. Previous course medicine cost is 600. Its cost is 350. Patient BP 140 by 100. Okay. First it controls immediately. Later permanent cure possible in this system. 2 medicines. For each disease you will get 2 medicines. Gastritis problem. This is cost is 450. From institute to institute it may vary up to 600. 450 to 600. This is only 50 rupees. Vision care plus drops, eye drops. For eye pain, redness, etc. Just 1 drop enough. Not more than 1 drop. Water care plus. See, just apply on watts. It varies from 50 to 100. This is also Walkwell plus eye. This varies from 100 to 120. It's just 5 to 10 drops. Apply at a knee portion, heel portion, neck portion, and a back portion, etc. Next. What is this? Fibroid case treatment. See here. This is Cystocare plus medicine tablet. Morning 4, evening 4. 3 days use, 3 days gap. And this is once in 3 days, 4 tablet. And drops, 5 drops, once in 3 days. You add in glass of water. Okay, 5 drops. And take slowly, just like tea. Tea madriga తాగవలేము స్లోగా. మెడిసిన్ టు మెడిసిన్ 3 minutes గ్యాప్. మొత్తం కోర్సు వాడిన పిదప 1 అరగంట గ్యాప్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, bottle to bottle 3 minutes gap दीजिए. And after using this complete course for your disease, you break for 30 minutes. Okay. See, this is injection medicine for BP patient. Drop by drop injection to be given at cervical part, at the neck portion. It controls BP immediately, and later permanent cure is possible in this system. देखिए 3 times 3 बार लेना 10-10 ड्रॉप ग्लास पानी में, बॉटल टू बॉटल, मेडिसिन टू मेडिसिन, 3 मिनट्स गैप देना. आफ्टर यूजिंग द होल कोर्स हाफ एन आवर ब्रेक. ये देखिए ये 3 बार लेना 5 pills. If it is in the form of drops, also take 10 drops 3 times. Okay. Its cost is 600 per month. 350 course available, 600 course available. MRP is 850. May vary from institute to institute. Okay. Treatment must start based on medical reports and M&P, temperaments, means symptoms. See, this is for X-ray booklet. Here patient has to write his problems, health problems and symptoms for scanning if it is needed, means for fibroid case, etc., or brain clots, etc. This is for blood test, urine test, etc. It is for X-ray, etc. Okay, right. Thank you.